Good morning. Welcome to InfoComm 2018, live from Las Vegas. I'm here on the digiLED booth, where this year we're demonstrating the brand new digi range of products. Here you see the 2.6mm product. It's a wall-mounted permanent installation product measuring less than 2 inches thick. The product family goes all the way from 2.6mm down to the 1.5mm we have mounted here above the desk. Also in the range we have 2mm. All of the products feature the same front access permanent installation chassis, with each chassis being manufactured in a 16:9 aspect ratio. Now, a key advantage of this is that with a 16:9 aspect ratio in the chassis, providing you build your walls with the same width and same height in panels, your aspect ratio will be maintained for your installation. The product here has been wall mounted onto an exhibition grade wall, and this is one of the key advantages of digi. It's got built-in compensation for mounting to uneven walls, so even though the exhibition wall is not exactly flat, we're able to compensate and create a perfectly level and perfectly smooth video screen surface. Here you see a strip built out of single cabinets with the height of 281.25mm, which gives each cabinet the 16:9 ratio. The front access features of the cabinet will now be demonstrated by Sal with the vacuum removal of the magnetic tiles, allowing access to the mounting and the control equipment. If you'd like further information on digi, please visit our website www.digiled.com.